sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So after igame yezolo wathi siyidlala ne-Egypt bafethu ikwazile ukuwina ibe na 6 point, thina sasala saba no 3 points. Match yokugcina ke siyodlala nani na siyodlala neZimbabwe number 3 mase ke iAngola iyodlala against iEgypt. Njoba nje iAngola iyodlala neEgypt, uma ithola u3 points kuleyo game bazoba na 4 points. Thina uma draw against iZimbabwe sizoba nabani na sizoba na 4 points nathi. Lokho kubekani na kubeka iAngola ethubeni elihle nayo uthi ikhuphuke ihambe iye phambili. Thina ke mase siyaphuma. So kubalekile ukuthi siwine against iZimbabwe, yabo. So the possible route for South Africa to road eya ku final izoba nzinyana kakhulu indlela eya ku final for iBafana Bafana. Reason why ngisho njalo ngifuna ukunikhombisa ama-team esubhekana nawo, ama-countries esubhekana nawo njengoba nje sizophuma number 2, yabo. Uma siwina against iZimbabwe and iAngola ishaya iEgypt izoba na 6 points, nathi sibe na 6 points. Ngesibe number 1 noma singawina iscore esinganani ngesibe number 1, yabo. Iwona umthetho nje okhona phethu kwi-CAF kwi-AFCON. I don't know why kunalowo mthetho lo, but ke kumele ngaba implementa leyo nto ukuthi umuntu umena ama goals amaningi abe number 1, but ke ayisebenzi leyo nto leyo. Uma nje i-head to head yakho better than the other nation uzobo remainer number 1. So iSouth Africa bafethu as it stands, iSouth Africa bafethu bakwi course yokuthatha uB2, yabo, in the position ezoba khona kuma brackets in the round of 16. Kungenzeka sitholane neCameroon, yabo. We are likely to get iCameroon mase kuthi kuma quarterfinals. Kuma quarterfinals sitholane nani na neMorocco, sitholana nama host nations. Remember the last time we played against ama host nations was the time when we played in Egypt, lapho khona sashaya khona Egypt ngo-1-0, yabo. So ngenzeka sibhekane nama host nations lapha kuma quarterfinals, yabo. Mase kuthi kuma semifinals sinethuba elihle kakhulu ukuthi sibhekane neAlgeria, yabo. Joan bheka nje bafethu akusiwona ama countries lawa alula. Mase kuthi ke ifinal there's a high possibility ukuthi Bafana ibhekane neSenegal, yabo. Siyazi iSenegal idlala kahle kule insuku lezi bafethu ishakwa sana, yabo. So iyona ke possibility le for Bafana. The last AFCON Bafana yathola easier route, yabo. Some may say it was an easier route, but ke getting round of, I think round of 16 if I'm not mistaken, getting le club le iMorocco, sashaya iMorocco ngo-2-0 kwangekho lula, but ke sakwazi sishaya iMorocco. So iMorocco ke this time soyithola kuma quarterfinals, yabo. Sizoyithola nje kuma quarterfinals. Cameroon, I don't think iCameroon ingayinikeza ngaleyo ndlela inkingi Bafana. And I saw igame yeMorocco izolo ngosikhathi idlala against iMali. I don't think iMorocco team engashayeki. iMorocco iyashayeka, yabo. Mase nje uyizele ngobuhlakani, yabo, ukwazi ukuanalyze kahle indlela edlala ngakhona leya team iyashayeka bafethu, yabo. And I see Algeria sikwazi ukuthi sibambane nayo. Remember last year we played against Algeria bafethu ngosikhathi sidlala. I think kwakuyi friendly match leya, sadlala against Algeria. I think sadraw ngo-2-2 or 1-1 if I'm not mistaken, kuzokoro uzwane lapha. So iAlgeria, yabo, I see Algeria sishaya kanzima mhlambe ngama penalties, but ke imatch engabona ukuthi ingasinikeza inkinga imatch le la kwi-final. That's the final match engibona kahle ukuthi ayisingaba nenkinga ke lapha, yabo, against iSenegal. But ke the other matches I see Bafana mfethu idlula, yabo. But ke ku round of 16 there's a possibility ukuthi sithole iCameroon or iIvory Coast. Nakhona futhi iIvory Coast I'm not sure, yabo. There are many star players kwi-Ivory Coast, but ke ngeke uyiconfirm iIvory Coast. The last tournament babe umsangano, but ke they managed to win the whole tournament, yabo. It's crazy kunjalo, crazy kunjalo bafethu. Ngeke uzukwazi uyipredict iAFCON, yabo. Any nation can win. It's either tough unjani. Senegal yashawa iyona Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast. Njengoba inesquad esiqine kanje. So anything can happen bafethu. Bafana right now, even though sidliwe thina nje into lemela besayenza ukuwina against Zimbabwe, and mase siyalinda ukuthi siyodlala nani, yabo. Wena ngokwakho bafethu awungitshele, do you think Bafana inalo kodwa ithuba lokuthi ithathe le AFCON njengoba iyodlala nalama club lawa anzima kanje, yabo? Kona kuyoba nzima, but ke I see us cruising. But ke those two nations, which is Morocco and Algeria, asaz. You see right now I'm stressed. I don't know why. mfethu.